internship just to understand how the real world works. So I interned at STRATE. The main thing I got from it is the entire design ideology is at the end problem solving. Whether you're doing automotive design or product design, at the end of the day, you're asked to solve problems, and at the end of the day, you have to cater to the customer. So I think that's the biggest reason why the integrated internships is such a big part of our curriculum, because whatever we learn, whatever skills we develop, the real world is only where we can actually execute.